Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City. Daily FX market news.
December 16th, 10:30 America New York, S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow Jones forecast for the week ahead. Bears made a noticeable reappearance this week with a steely focus on 2023 price action, but will bears make a push into the end of the year or wait for the 2023 open?
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 16, 10:27 America New York. Regulators launch probe of GM's Cruise autonomous driving system. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration said it had received notices of incidents in which vehicles from GM's Cruise division might engage in inappropriately hard braking or stall while operating on roads.
BBC News Business.
December 16, 10:16 America New York, Starbucks set for strikes in U.S. over unionization. The walkout escalates a bitter labor fight, affecting around 100 of the coffee firm's U.S. stores.
New York Times Business.
December 16, 9:59 America New York. Markets extend losses at end of Jittery week. Wall Street has been wary of the effects that central bankers' determination to fight inflation could have on the economy.
BBC News Business.
December 16, 9:53 America New York, EU adopts global minimum 15% tax on big business. The landmark agreement aims to stop governments racing to cut taxes in a bid to attract business.
New York Times Business. December 16, 9 o'clock America New York, forget stock predictions for next year. Focus on the next decade. Wall Street's market forecasts for 2023 are worthless, our columnist says. But the long view is much clearer.
The Library of Economics and Liberty.
December 16, 8:55 America New York. I asked ChatGPT to write songs about public choice. As I mentioned in a recent Econlog post, I have been asking ChatGPT to write song lyrics, including lyrics about a variety of economics topics. One commenter asked me to share the songs ChatGPT wrote me about public choice. New York Times Business.
December 16, 8:44 America New York. Twitter draws international outrage for suspending journalists. After Elon Musk's Twitter suspends journalists, lawmakers and press freedom advocates fire back, threatening sanctions and fines. Twitter's latest suspensions could prove particularly costly.
Daily FX market news.
December 16, 8:15 America New York. How to control greed when trading. Greed can turn good trades into bad ones and bad trades into worse trades. Learn how to manage it.
The Library of Economics and Liberty.
December 16, 8 o'clock America New York. Pitfalls with the Hippocratic Oath and the Woke Oath. My friend Ted Levy, a retired doctor, told me over the phone this week that it's not just the latest woke oath for doctors that is problematic. The traditional Hippocratic Oath is no prize either.
Global economy.
December 16, 7:26 America New York, Eurozone set for milder downturn as business gloom subsides. Closely watched poll indicates recession will not be as deep or prolonged as feared.
BBC News Business.
December 16, 7:22 America New York. December strikes. Both sides need to work, quickly, to end strikes. The RMT union boss says, a bit of goodwill is needed from all sides involved in the dispute. Marginal revolution.
December 16, 7:22 America New York. Why the United States should open new consulates in India. A good piece by Michael Rubin in the National Interest. India will likely become the most populous country on Earth this year, and, yet, outside of the U.S. Embassy in New Delhi, there are only 4 State Department consulates in the country of 1.4 billion.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 16, 6:38 America New York. Europe data points to contraction but economies set to avoid worst-case scenario. Signs of resilience suggest the region's downturn could be milder than feared just a few months ago, business surveys showed.
Daily FX market news.
December 16, 6:30 America New York. GBP, USD still struggling as data stoke UK recession fears. GBP, USD slid sharply in the previous session despite a half-point interest rate rise. Generally feeble UK economic data saw it fall further on Friday.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
December 16, 5:30 America New York. TikTok's efforts to cut ties with Chinese parents stumble over talent. The short video app is making big efforts to separate from Beijing-based ByteDance, but it is still hiring staff in China for key functions.
Global economy.
December 16, 2:42 America New York, UK retail sales fall 0.4% in November as cost of living crisis bites. Surging prices prompt consumers to cut spending.
Marginal revolution.
December 16, 1:11 America New York. Who gains and loses from the new AI? With so many spectacular AI developments coming out this year, it is worth asking who benefits and who loses. Specific technologies usually help some personality types and hurt others.
Global economy.
December 16, 0:100 America New York. Your chance to have lunch with the Fort. The editor and 8 journalists up for auction to support the FT's Financial Literacy and Inclusion Campaign charity.
Day trade review.
December 15, 2335 America New York. FinScreener review. Is this stock screener for you? Considering using FinScreener for screening? Read our review to see how effective the platform is and how it compares to alternatives. The post FinScreener review, is this stock screener for you? Appeared first on Day Trade Review.
Day trade review. December 15, 2330 America New York. Pros and cons of day trading. Planning on day trading? First, look at our guide on the pros and cons of day trading to learn on things to consider while day trading. The post Pros and Cons of Day Trading appeared first on Day Trade Review. Day Trade Review.
December 15, 2321 America New York. Day Trading Statistics 10 Interesting Facts. Want to learn more about the day trading? Here are 10 day trading interesting facts and trends worth knowing. The post-day trading statistics 10 interesting facts appeared first on Day Trade Review.